Welcome back, everybody. The day has finally arrived. We're going to try a test fire on the Super M for the first time after rebuild. So we've got it ready to pop right now. All the compartments have fluid in the rear end, the hydraulic tank, the belt pulley, fuel tank, air cleaner cup, crankcase, coolant. Everything is full. So we're ready to go there. Walk over to this side and you can see we've got the spark plugs out of the cylinder head. We're going to wheel this thing over with those removed so that we're not really pushing against compression. And we're going to try and build oil pressure and see some movement on that gauge. If we can build oil pressure and we don't have any major leaks anywhere, spark plugs are going to go back in. We'll turn the fuel on and we'll see what happens. Well, that didn't take quite as long as I was thinking. Got oil pressure, so we'll pop spark plugs back in. You thinking of rolling this outside first?
Yeah, I'm rolling outside and start it first.
All right. Happy with it there?
Yeah, I think so.
Brakes are set. Well, Senior's going to put the muffler back on so that we can make sure that it still knocks, right?
Yeah.
We want to be able to hear everything. Okay, you said you're going to try it with no choke to start with, right?
Yep.
Fuel's on.
Fuel's on. Oil pressure's up.
Had to choke it a little bit. That's nice. I didn't even see a big cloud of smoke come out.
Paint burning.
Yep. Yeah, I can smell the burning paint. Yeah, look at the muffler starting to smoke. It's getting hot. It doesn't idle down too bad given just it's the initial carb settings. I can't hear any knocks yet.
Oh, it sounds good.
Oh, it's still cold. It'll knock once it warms up. Charging? Why don't you see if you can engage the belt pulley and spin that? It spins. You guys can see that with the light. We got a positive charge on the needle. Everything seems to be doing all right. Checking for leaks. I'm not seeing any oil leaks, so that's good. Well, we're just going to let this run out here for a bit. We want to get plenty of heat put in it. Alright, he's going to test out the hydraulics. He's just going to pull the lever, see if we can detect any engine load from the pump. Oh yeah, that pump's doing something. Pushing against the relief. You want to give it a little RPM? Sounds good, I like it. Check temp real quick. She still hasn't come up yet. We'll let her run a little more. A little bit of warmth up there. Starting to get warm. Alright, sorry for the glare. Senior's got the timing light over there. We're going to make sure the timing's on.
I'm virtually right on there.
You're virtually right on? You like it?
We could see a little bit off. We could probably try it.
I'll just turn it a little bit. Go back the other way?
Back the other way. Back the other way. Yeah.
Like that?
A little bit the other way.
How's that?
A little bit forward the other way. Other way. That's the spot right there.
You like it right there?
There's good.
Just doing some carburetor adjustments now. Working on the low idle. Sounds pretty good.
Just getting in the
All right, well, he seems pretty happy with the adjustments. That was the first run.
See if she restarts.
Ah, don't press your luck.
I'm gonna do it.
Oh, look at that, it still runs. Okay, no drama.
Okay, got Squatch check, rechecking the head torque. After we're done with the head torque, we are going to readjust the valves, make sure they're where they're supposed to be, and we'll start buttoning this thing up. So, really happy the way this thing run. I think we'll just close her off for now, and thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.